Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am making a hair review. It's not going to be a first impression hair review just because this is my fourth time ordering this hair from this company. So it's pretty much just going to be like a 1 week update because that's how long I've had this hair. So this hair I purchased with my own money. I got 3 bundles and a frontal. My frontal is 16 inches and my bundles are 18 inches, all 1 inch as far as my bundles. So they do stop right here. So it is pretty long because I am 5'7", so I'm pretty tall. This hair is from AliExpress. The vendor name is Miss Herehair. Some people say Miss Her, but I say Miss Here because it's spelled H-E-R-E. But yeah, so I wanted to talk to you guys about this hair. I have been going live on Facebook, really tough, and this is a unit. So this is a full wig that I made, and like I said, you guys, I got a frontal, so I slicked down my little baby hair and all that, but I made it look really natural and really cute. I get a lot of questions on where I get the hair from, how is it, do I like it, do I like it, do I like it? Question is, yes, I love this hair. I love this hair. So like I was stating in my earlier, that this is the 4th, maybe 5th time that I've ordered from this vendor from AliExpress. A lot of people don't go on AliExpress because they have their own little opinion on it. I actually like AliExpress. And I stick with this one vendor. I've gotten some deep curly hair. I've gotten some straight hair. This is my 2nd or 3rd time getting the straight hair, and each time I haven't had any hair that damaged, that had really bad split ends, anything like that. Like Miss Herehair is a great company. They have a nice positive feedback base. They are rated, I think, 96 or 98, I'm not sure, but that is awesome. So I always look at the ratings. I always look at the reviews and the feedbacks on what people give. Even when it's negative, I still look at that because all of that matters. So when you order something, no matter what you get, no matter if it's makeup, clothes, I wanted to get this video out as soon as possible. Friday actually made a week of me getting the hair, so it's really nice. I've really been liking the hair so far. I ain't gonna say installed because I made a wig, so it took me about 6 hours to make the entire wig. Some people say that's a lot, some people's like, no, that's nothing. Some people take a whole week, some people take 3 days. Sometimes I do take 3 days. I was very anxious. I was very excited to make this wig, even though this is not my first wig making, but I was just excited. When I get new bundles, like, I love my real hair, but I just love weave. Like, I do. If I could wear it all the time, I would. But yeah, this hair, I did try curling it this morning, so it do hold a curl. It's really nice and soft. It's have some nice, the wefts are really nice. It came, the shipping was awesome. Anytime I order from Miss Herehair, their shipping was always 2 days, no more than 3 days, always. I ordered the hair on Sunday night and I got it on Wednesday, so I think that's awesome. So yeah, y'all, if you want to order you some hair and it's at the end of the week or whatever, and you like, look, I get my hair done on Friday, Miss Herehair, you get your hair in 2-3 days, so you will have your hair done by the end of the week. I'm just saying. But so the pricing, let's talk about that. So like I said, I ordered a 16-inch frontal and an 18-inch bundles. I ordered 3, and honestly, I did not think that the 3 was going to be enough. I don't know why. I was just like, I want my hair to look really nice and thick, but not too thick. I still wanted to have like a natural look to it, so maybe I should order 4. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with my first instinct. I'm gonna order 3 and I'm just gonna make the wig and I'm gonna see how I go. So 3 filled up the whole entire wig. I'm not gonna say 3 did because I only used like 2.5, maybe a little bit of the 3rd bundle, and it was filled to the top. Like, it was full. I'm sorry, it was full. So I did an awesome job. Pricing, let's get back to that. So for the frontal and 3 bundles was $146, and that's not bad because a lot of people out here is charging $200-300 for hair. Then on top of that, you have to get it done when you can just make you a little natural wig or whatever and go to the beauty supply store, get you a net, get you some needle and thread. What's that, $10? Not even that. So why not, you know, why not make you a wig? This is a wig, you guys. This is a wig. I will show you guys. So it's really nice. It have a nice soft feel. It's really nice and silky and natural. I'm gonna show you guys how it looked from the back. So this is how it looks. It's really nice and thick. It goes down all the way down here, as you can tell. So like I was stating, I am 5'7", and this hair goes all the way past my breasts. So I really like the hair, you guys. I love the hair. I love the hair. I do have some old videos of me dyeing some hair from this vendor, of me bleaching the frontal from this vendor. Like, each time that I've worked with this vendor, they have just treated me so good and so awesome. I'm gonna keep ordering until I get a bad batch or something. But until then, I'm gonna keep ordering. And plus, they're inexpensive. Like, you're not gonna find any good hair that you're gonna spend an arm and a leg on. Like, $146, that is inexpensive to me when it comes to hair. Like, I got a frontal too with 3 bundles. Tell me where you're gonna find it at. I'm just saying. So yeah. So yeah, y'all, this is the hair. It's awesome. I like it. It have a nice body, a nice flow. And I wanted to give like a week update with this hair. So this is it. I did do me some little baby hairs and all that. So yeah. So when I do get tired of this hair, I'm probably gonna cut it into a bob. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it into a bob, but you know, I don't know just yet. And I also want to put some curls in it. I want to do like some wand curls or something. So yeah, I try not to flat iron the hair every day. They say it's not good to put heat on hair, just period. It's not good to put heat on it every day. So I don't put heat on it every day. I just kind of wrap it, and then, you know, that morning I will just take it down and go out the door. But do I recommend this hair? Yes, I highly recommend this hair. I give this hair 5 stars. I always give this hair 5 stars, even with the feedback on Miss Herehair website on AliExpress. I give it 5 stars. I send them pictures. I do all that. So yeah, y'all, this completes my video. I hope I answered all the questions. I do want to say though, with this hair, it didn't come with any split ends, really no flyaways. It tastes good with product. It lays down hair like real hair. I did have to pluck this hair a lot though. So like I said, it took me 6 hours, and for like a whole hour or an hour and a half or something, I was plucking the frontal. The frontal was nice. It was already pre-plucked, so it made it really easy for me. But for me to get that really nice natural look to where it looks like my real hair, like my real hairline, I needed to pluck a lot more. So I need to make actually a video on that, and I would definitely do that. You guys just leave it in the comments below. I hope I answer all your questions. I hope you guys go purchase this hair. It is awesome. I promise you, you will like this hair. It's really nice and soft, and it has a really nice bounce and flow to it. So I do go live on Facebook every 2 days or so. I go live on Facebook. So if you're not following me on my social medias, my first and last name, just my first and last name on my Facebook, Kiana Harvell. Instagram is QBeauty_. Snapchat is QBeauty2. Go follow me, you guys. I love you guys. Make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, because you're going to see a video about, I'm trying to do it once a week, y'all. I really am, and I know I'm late, but I really wanted to get this hair, and I wanted to do like a 1 week update, so it took me a lot longer. So I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I didn't explain that the way I laid down my frontal was with the Got to Be glue. I used the yellow one, and I also have the black one, which is the gel. But I don't like the black one that much to lay down my frontal. I've been seeing a lot of videos that ladies are saying that Got to Be glue is bad. Got to Be glue isn't good to hold down your lace. I haven't had a big issue with Got to Be glue. The only like con that I have with that glue is that it leave a white cast. but it's glue. You know, you have to look at that as glue, just like school glue. It's gonna leave some type of white cast on it, which is very, very tacky. But you just have to know how to lay down your frontal as well. If you're just throwing the glue on there and sticking it down, it's not gonna stick. So it's a certain way to do it, but I have a separate video for that, y'all. But I've had this wig on for a whole week. I mean, it looks so natural and it lays down so seamlessly. I haven't had that problem, and this wig has been on for a whole week. So, and it's pretty nice and tight. So I haven't had that problem yet. It's totally up to you. I've heard other people use some type of stronghold, and some people use the gel. The gel for me does not work well with laying down my lace. A lot of people say that it tears up their lace. I can't vouch to that, so just be real careful on applying the glue to your face, to your perimeters of your head or your lace, because it will rip it. It will also rip out your edges. So make sure you're using the correct method to take off your wig, take off your frontal. You use water, you can use some shampoo, you can use any type of liquid, far as like conditioner, things like that, to go ahead and loosen up the glue and lift it up, or you're gonna lose your edges and it's gonna hurt. So it took for that to happen to me for me to know how to lay down my frontal. So you guys, you know, just be real mindful that when you're taking off your frontal, it's still glued down to your head. So you have to know how to take it off, or you're gonna lose not only your hair, but you're probably gonna lose some skin. I'm serious. I'm serious. If it was me, I'm gonna tell you, girl, go buy this hair. Bye, y'all.